Let's end the old school shenanigans of creating a list and calling people on it, manipulating them to say yes to watching a video or attending a meeting without answering their legitimate questions. We can do it simply by attracting pre qualified prospects who want what we offer and are ready to say yes. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Connie Suarez. I'm a network marketing mentor passionate about helping hardworking network marketers help their team cross stage. Crossing stage is an essential moment in network marketing, isn't it? Companies devote much time to their events to recognize those milestones in a network marketer's business. Sadly, I never saw my team cross stage, and it was a frustration for me. I was frustrated that my team couldn't do what I was doing. I hated the strategy. I hated making a list and calling people. The impression, even the outright direction from my upline, was that I should be calling every free minute of my day. Oh, I hated doing that. But I did it because back then it was the way to success. I grew a team that I could never duplicate. What I was doing was so inauthentic for me that my teaching was not very convincing. I was at the point where I was ready to quit, and then I discovered how to attract pre qualified prospects. If you missed that video, Attracting Pre Qualified Prospects 101, then be sure and find it and watch it. It goes into the basics of attracting pre qualified prospects. Today, we're going to go deeper. But before I get started, let me encourage you to subscribe to my channel and then make sure that you ring the bell to get notifications. And then when I post, you'll get that notification. Now, attracting pre qualified prospects 201. First, we need to build a strong referral network. We just can't get away from needing a network. The difference is that we are building a network of pre qualified people, not just people who know us. After you have been following the first 5 steps I discussed in Attracting Pre Qualified Prospects 101, for instance, you are posting valuable content and establishing yourself as a thought leader. As a result, people will be coming to your page. Now you need to learn how your social media platform informs you about who visits your page. I use Facebook, and I discovered the Meta Business Suite. A mentor showed it to me. In the Planner tab on the Meta Business Suite, you see how many people visited your page in the previous week. It shows it on the left-hand side. If I click on that, it will give me the list of those people, and then I can invite them to follow me. But I don't invite everyone. I go to their page and see if they are a good fit for what I offer. This takes time, but I end up with a robust referral network, pre qualified prospects who will continue to see my content. Once I have a following, then I need to nurture relationships. We can do that by responding when somebody comments on our page and our content. If they ask a question, we should take it to Messenger where we can privately talk with them. When they want more info about our offer, we can create a 3-way messenger chat with our upline. That gives us that vital third-party validation that's always going to be a plus. Another way to attract pre-qualified prospects is through webinars, virtual events, and challenges. You can create your own or invite them to what your upline is doing. I encourage you to do your own as soon as possible. John Maxwell talks about the laws of growth, and in the law of rubber band, he states growth stops when you lose tension between where you are and where you could be. We, just like a rubber band, are only useful when we stretch or when we are stretched. A fourth way to attract pre-qualified prospects is by collaborating with others providing similar offers. Now, why would we do that? Because that expands both of our audiences. Should we worry about losing our followers? Not if we are committed to the best for our followers. And they may be better served by someone else, but it balances out. We will find someone who we better serve. An advanced tactic to attract pre-qualified prospects is to offer valuable resources and freebies. If you've been following me, you have seen me offer a free resource for network marketers who want to learn these strategies. Here are some suggestions for freebies that you could offer. Some companies provide samples for you to give out. There is an expense here, but it's a legitimate business expense. And you can offer a PDF with information that fits your product niche. For instance, if you sell a weight loss product, you might consider creating an infographic in Canva about how to snack without blowing your diet. I'll bet you if you use AI, you can even come up with funny suggestions. If you offer an insurance product, you could create a PDF about how your life insurance does more than pay death benefits. I'll bet your company has information on that, but create your own PDF. We must track and analyze what we're doing to determine what is working and what isn't working. We need to know how the platform that we use gives us that information and then use it regularly. I'm still getting into that habit. Then we know what is effective and what isn't. You know, the process takes time, but you may find that you enjoy it more than the old way of making those phone calls. I certainly know that I enjoy posting and doing videos more than I ever did with making phone calls. And once you post it on social media, you're out there 24/7. I encourage you to ask for that free resource that helps you even further with learning how to attract pre-qualified prospects. If you're interested in that, just comment below free and I'll get you the link. This is Connie Suarez. I'll be in touch.